Are you moving soon? If yes, then this video can make your move efficient and easy. Planning is the key to any move, so plan your upcoming move with professional movers at Vanlines Move. There are a few things that you should keep in mind while planning a move. Number 1, announce your move. Notify all the service providers, utility providers, banks, insurance companies, healthcare providers, and more about your address change. Number 2, invest in packing supplies. Ensure the safety of your belongings by purchasing the right and quality packing supplies. Number 3, book childcare and pet care service. Moving can be hectic, and on a moving day you have no time to look after your kids. So book these services in advance. Number 4, labeling the moving boxes. Simplify loading, unloading, and especially unpacking by labeling your moving boxes. Use colored markers and stickers. Number 5, secure parking spot. Most neighborhoods don't allow parking a large-sized truck as it might affect other residents. So secure a parking spot or take a permit beforehand. All these points are worth remembering while planning a move. For more moving tips, connect with Vanlines Move at vanlinesmove.com or call 833-706-1800. We can help you plan, pack, load, unload, and move.